Welcome back to MSN channel. So I just really make this video to make you guys or myself feel happy. At the same time, we can learn something by doing something. So yeah, accent learning and foreign accent, it doesn't mean that you can just only speak or learn. While you do, you can learn it. So today I'm having some kind of good things for you guys, that I'm just really gonna cook something for you guys. That this is a chicken that we're going to cook. This is the chicken that I just really purchased from the market, and these are the ingredients that we're going to put. So for this, we're going to make some kind of good use of this. So yeah, let's see how we just really going to make a good dish out of it. So be with me and let's see. So yeah, guys, so first of all, I'm just really gonna make some kind of Mughlai chicken, where we need to just put some kind of ingredients. For that, we have some bay leaves. These are the bay leaves, and we have some chilies, some tomatoes, only two red onions. This is the garlic. The garlic has to be a little bit more in quantity compared to ginger, and this is ginger. So now what we're gonna do, that we're gonna mix all those ingredients together in one place, and after that we're going to put into the fire. So be watch it. Okay, all right, guys, how I really do it. Guys, now first of all, what we need to do is that we need to crush some garlic. In this ingredient, we're not going to put any kind of curd or yogurt on it. Okay, it's a simple dish, but it has to be the Mughlai dish. So you can see that with this less amount of spices, how I just really make a beautiful dish that you just really gonna love it, and you're gonna make it in your own home, and you're gonna share it with your family members. So let's start. So first of all, you need to crush all those bay leaf together, in your hand. So the aroma, we're gonna be just cover all those chicken while it's cooked. And after that, we're gonna put some onions. So this is the chopped onion. Just put it there like this. Oh yeah, that's look beautiful. The onion, you can just take any kind of onion, whether it might be a white one, but you need to remember the quantity. That onion has to be, if there is a 2 onion, then you need to put 4 onions together. And if there is a big onions, then you need to just put only 2. That might be sufficient for you. And after putting onion, we're going to put some ginger. Oh yeah, that's some ginger. Okay, the quantity of the ginger has to be less in chicken, but in other meat items, you can put ginger according to your wish. But the quantity of the garlic has to be more in chicken, because this is the main ingredient that might just really give you the best aroma, and you can just really feel it. And after giving all those ingredients, we're going to put some chilies on it. Yeah, these are the 4 or 5 chilies. And after that, you need to give some little bit of tomatoes. These are the tomatoes. All right, guys. Okay, after giving tomatoes, the most important thing, that don't use any kind of other oils. You need to use purified mustard oil, because mustard oil is one of the most best oil to just cook any kind of meat dishes. So I always prefer mustard oil rather than just using other oils, because it is one of the most best oil, I feel like that, and it's really good for your health. If you're even staying in some other places, you can use olive oil at the same time, because it is good for your heart. So yeah, we're going to put at least around, I think, 4 to 5 spoon of oil, but I didn't have any kind of measurement thing, so I can't just put it. I just pour it directly. All right, in my I have the guessing by guessing it. So yeah, so up to this much, we have put all the necessary ingredient, and after that, we're gonna put the main important things, the spices. All right, so stay with me. So guys, now it's time for putting the spices on it. I didn't start the gas still now. We're gonna put some spices. So first of all, the spice that we're gonna put is that, yeah, you can see this is a cumin powder. After that, we have some kind of coriander powder. This is a coriander powder. This is turmeric powder, and this is a red chili powder. All right, so we're gonna put, and this is an additional substance that we always put it in the chicken. This is chicken masala. All right, guys, so first of all, we need to put some turmeric powder on it. Only this much of turmeric is enough for it. All right, I really don't prefer turmeric too much, because it's good, but the color, it's something that I really don't like it most of the time. So now we're going to put some kind of coriander powder. This is the coriander powder. We need this because it's really giving the good aroma, at the same time that it enhances the taste. So we put some coriander powder, and after that, this is cumin powder. All right, so every masalas that you put, or spices that you put in your curry, or maybe any kind of dish that you are making, has to be in same quantity. So we have put this, and after that, at the end, we're going to put some red chili pepper powder. All right, this is the red chili pepper powder. Yeah, this is the amount that we put in. That's all. And after that, we are going to put the last ingredient, that is chicken masala. So yeah, it is going to give you the enhancement that we really going to love it. There you go, man. All right, guys, so stay with me. Let's see. Let's start the stove and start to frying the chicken. All right, guys, now you need to put some salt on it. It depends on your taste. The amount of the quantity, or the amount of the chicken that you have, it has to be in same ratio. So I'm just putting this amount of salt for this, beautiful dish that I'm just making it today. So yeah, I think this is enough salt. And if you really need a little bit more salt while you're cooking, you can just put more salt on it. All right, guys. So stay with me. So guys, now you can see that I just really marinated all those chicken with my bare hands and to make all those spices come together in one place. And now we're gonna put in a low flame, this chicken for half an hour, and then put a lid over it so it can cook automatically, slowly. And when the water we're gonna be dry, after that we're gonna put a little bit additional water, and after that we're gonna do complete our cook. So stay with me, guys. Let's see how it's really gonna make a delightful dish for all of us. All right. Guys, there is a lid that I just really cover all the chicken, and we're gonna wait for around 30 to 35 minutes and we're going to simmer it in a low temperature, so it's really gonna cook slowly, and it's just really gonna leave the moisture of the chicken itself. And when it started to dry, we're going to add some more water and cook it well. So stay with me. So let's see how it's really made. Now it's already been 5 minutes, so I'm just really gonna just take out the lid and see what is the condition of the chicken right now. So for that, I need piece of cloth, so my hand should not get burned. So yeah, so you can see that the chicken is being cooked so beautifully. The color and the chicken started to put in the water. That it's warm water. So yeah, we can see that it's been boiling, and when the water we're gonna just dry up, we're gonna put some more water. And I can't just tell you that the aroma and the fragrance that is coming from the chicken while it's cooked, it's amazing, because all the spices that we just really put, it is coming into my nostril, and it's just really giving me so delightful feeling. I can't have any kind of word to explain it. So let it simmer for a little bit more, 20 minutes. So it's already been 10 minutes. So we're gonna just put the lid again back in the place, and stay with me, guys, for more. Yes, guys, the water has been dry off, and now we're ready to just put some water in it, the extra water, so you can see the color of the chicken has really become so beautiful, and the oil has already been just coming up from the chicken, so you can see. So now we're going to put some water on it according to our own desire. All right, so you need to check the pieces of the chicken that how much we need to put the water. So now it's time to put some water on it.